Teacher Ivy from English Dorm. I would like to give you now some tips to help you navigate your success in the workplace. Okay, so number one, you have to keep it professional. Be punctual and always finish your job assignments on time. Number two, prioritize your workload. You are expected to be proactive in your workplace, so be prepared to take on tasks actively and avoid settling for half-baked job assignments. Number three, create familiarity with the workplace. So make sure that you are familiar with your work location, and then so that you will know where to buy things and how to commute more easily. Okay, so number four, save money and spend wisely. Number five, have a positive attitude towards work. So treat work as a growing experience for you. Okay, so number six, shine on the workplace. Do not hesitate to show your colleagues your talents and your skills. Okay, so form friendships. So since you cannot choose who you will work with, it is better for you to just try to get along with your workmates. It will be good thing because it will be a good thing because it will help you cope with stress. Okay, number eight, and lastly, don't forget to enjoy yourself. Enjoy learning new things and reaping rewards for the company.